Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equals to 6 sin t. Because if I put this one go in here, you got about 36 sin t square. 36, we can do about factorization. And we have 1 minus sin t squared. We change cosine t squared. And later that we simplify by the square root. We do first derivative for the both sides. You got about 6 cosine t dt. So I will put this one go in here and here. The s we change by this one. So this one you got about 36 sin t square. 36, we can do about factorization. One minus sin t square, you got about cosine t square. The square root of 36 cosine t square, that is about 6 cosine t. This one you got about 36 sin t square. Now we have 36, number 6, we multiply each other. And we got about 1296. Cosine t, you got about cosine t square. Now, we have the formula in here. 2 sin A cosine A, we got about sin 2A. But this is about power 2. So, in this situation, I need to have about 2 to the power of 2. Later that we need to divide by 2 to the power of 2. So this one we can simplify. And we got about 324. This one we can write into 2 sin t cosine t, everything to the power of 2. And then this one similar for this one. So we change 2 sin t cosine t into sin 2t. Now we have another formula in here. Sin 2a squared equals to 1 minus cosine 2a over number 2. So capital A represent about 2t. So if we change from to this one, you will have about 1 minus cosine 4t over number 2. And now 324 divided by 2, you got 162. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, you got about t. The integration of cosine 4t, you got about 1 over 4 sin 4t. And we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 6. And now we got about t equals to r sine of s over 6. So now I will put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.